Yes po.
Nakikita na ba?
Yes, opo.
Okay.
Yes po.
So, mabilis lang naman yung discussion kasi yung mga examples natin is mostly nasa videos na. So, I just want to check kung pinanood nyo ba talaga yung videos by answering yung mga iniwan kong videos doon na to try videos, ay to try examples. So, number one doon is yung pag-identify ng dependent and independent variables. So for the example, we have L times the second derivative of t, which is I. So mali, I pala to. So L times the second derivative of I with respect to t. Ayusin ko na nga, nalilito ako.
Ma'am, excuse po.
Yes?
Di po masyadong clear yung voice po, ma'am.
Okay, sige. Yan, okay na?
Yes, ma'am.
Plus r times the first derivative of I with respect to t plus I over c is equal to cosine of omega t. So, sa first example, identify natin yung dependent and independent variables. So, sinong may idea kung ano yung dependent variable? So, pwede na kayong turn on ng mic nyo kung gusto nyo sumagot. So, dependent variable, for this example,
Yung pong ano ma'am, yung pong I.
okay, yung I. So, yung independent variable natin is?
T po.
Okay.
Di po.
Tama. Oo, tama. So, second example, t times the first derivative of y with respect to t plus y is equal to 0. So, ano yung dependent variable natin?
Y po.
Why?
Independent. So, dependent is y and independent is
T po.
T.
t. Okay. So, next naman is pag-identify ng degree and order. So, sino may idea kung paano mahanap yung degree and order?
Exponent
Anyone?
po.
Okay, alin yung exponent? So, para may idea tayo, so first example, ano yung degree and ano yung order? So, para mas mabilis, first identify natin yung order. Sino may idea kung ano yung order ng first example? So, yung order, yun yung pinakamataas na derivative sa equation. So, sa number 1, rewrite natin yung formula, x squared plus y squared times dx, and transpose natin yung negative 2x dy, so equals to 2x dy. And then, divide both sides natin ng dx. So, x squared plus y squared is equal to 2x dy over dx. So, sa example natin, ano yung pinakamataas na derivative? 1. So, 1 kasi first derivative of y with respect to x. So, yun yung order natin. So, kapag degree naman yung hinahanap, ano yung exponent ng meron pinakamataas na derivative? So, ano yung exponent niya?
2, ma'am.
2 po.
Bakit 2?
1 po.
1 lang po.
1, ma'am. 1 po.
Kasi kung ano yung exponent na naka-raise dun sa pinakamataas na derivative. So, naka-raise lang to bale sa 1. Okay? So, isa pang example para magets talaga. So, sa second example, ano yung order natin?
3 po.
3,
So,
ma'am.
3. Kasi,
Three po.
yun yung third derivative. So, yung degree naman natin is
2 po.
2.
2. Okay.
Oo.
So, last example, y double prime plus y prime squared is equal to y. So, order and degree.
2 po yung order, ma'am.
Okay, 2 yung order and yung degree is
2 rin po.
1 po, ma'am.
1
ano?
po, ma'am. 1 po.
1. So, bakit 1? Kasi yung order natin is 2 and yung exponent niya or naka-raise lang naman siya sa 1. So, huwag kayong malilito, huwag niyong kukunin to kasi hindi naman siya yung pinagkuhanan natin ng order. So, okay. So, next naman is yung types of differential equation. So, meron tayong ODE and PDE. So, ODE or yung ordinary and yung PDE is partial differential equation. So, yung mga example natin doon, so bago natin solve, ano ba yung difference ng ODE and PDE? So, sa ODE, yung independent variable natin, ilan dapat yung independent variable?
Isa lang po.
Ito lang po.
Isa lang. ODE, independent, okay, tama. Isa lang. So, single. Pag dependent naman,
1 or more po.
1 or more
More
po.
than
one
1.
or more. So, PDE naman, yung independent is dependent.
More than 1 po.
So, more than 1. And dependent,
1 or more po.
okay, 1 or more. So, sa first example, para mas mabilis natin identify muna natin kung ano yung mga dependent and independent variables. So, number 1, dependent variables niya. Ano yung dependent variable?
Z po.
Okay, Z. And yung independent,
X and Y.
X and Y. So, we can say that number 1 is ODE or PDE?
PDE.
PDE po.
PDE because more than 1 yung independent variable. So, number 2, dy over dx plus 6y is equal to e raised to x. So, first identify natin yung dependent variable, which is
Y po, ma'am.
Sorry po.
Y po.
y. And independent is
X.
po.
X po.
x. So we can say that number 2 is
ODE po, ma'am.
ODE.
ODE. So number 3 So first, identifying the dependent variable, dependent So ano yung dependent variable natin?
Y po.
Y, and independent is
X.
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 x. So number 3 is an example of
ODE po, ma'am.
ODE, ma'am.
ODE.
ODE po.
So number 4, dz over dx plus dz over dy is equal to x squared minus y squared. So identifying the dependent variable,
Z po, ma'am.
Z po.
and your independent is
X.
X and Y.
x and y. So number 4 is
ODE.
an example of
PDE. Ay,
PDE.
PDE.
Okay. So, okay na yon. Next naman is yung linear and nonlinear. So, sa first example, we have 2x squared y minus 4x y prime is equal to 3 ln of x. So number 1, anong idea nyo? Is it linear or nonlinear?
Linear.
Linear po,
Linear
ma'am.
po. Linear
Tama siya, linear. So, bakit siya naging linear? So, first, we have to check yung dependent variable. So, ano yung dependent variable natin?
Y po, ma'am.
Y po.
Okay. So, y. So, yung dependent variable y natin, dapat daw lahat ng derivatives niya is nasa first degree. So, tama, first degree naman. And then, no product of dependent variable or any of its derivatives. So, multiply lang natin siya sa variable x, hindi naman natin siya multiply sa merong variable na y. So, okay din yung second rule. So, yung third naman is no transcendental function of the dependent variable. So, yung ginamit dito is yung independent variable x. So, kaya siya naging linear. So, number 2, 2x squared y minus 4x y prime is equal to y plus 3 ln of x. So, number 2, anong, is it linear or nonlinear? So, kung mapapansin nyo, pareho lang sila ng first example, pero nagkaroon lang tayo ng y dun sa right side of the equation. So, first, check natin kung first degree lang ba yung mga derivatives in yung variable. So, first degree lang ba sila? First degree lang ba yung ating so sige, identify muna natin yung dependent variable. So yung dependent variable natin is Ano yung dependent variable?
Y po, ma'am.
Okay, y. So, first, yung dependent variable and all of its derivatives occur only in the first degree. So, first degree lang naman sila. Kasi kung i-rewrite ko to, is 2x squared y minus 4x dy over dx is equal to y plus 3 ln of x. So, agree kayo na first degree lang yung dependent variable natin?
Opo, ma'am.
So, yung meaning nun is dapat lahat ng exponent nila is 1 lang. So, okay na tayo sa first rule. So, sa second rule naman, check natin if no product of dependent variable or any of its derivative. So, minultiply ba natin yung variable y sa derivative ng y or sa y mismo? So, hindi naman because yung minultiply natin is yung variable na x. So, okay din tayo sa second rule. So, sa third rule, no transcendental function of the dependent variable or its derivative. So, yung ginamit dito is yung independent variable. So, okay na rin siya. Yun nga lang, meron tayong y or meron tayong dependent variable y dun sa right side. So, kailangan lang natin siyang i-transpose to the left side. 2x squared y minus 4x dy over dx minus y is equal to d ln of x. So, double check nyo lang if may nagbago dun sa rules natin, pero dito is wala naman. So, we can say that number 2 is an example of linear siya or non-linear?
Linear po.
Linear po.
Okay, linear siya. So, yun lang yung mga examples na iniwan ko dun sa videos. So, sa next videos na yan, is ilalagay ko na silang lahat. Pero bago kayo mag-activity, siguro dun ko na lang kayo imimit para i-check ulit if pinanood niyo yung videos. So, okay ba sa inyo yon?
Opo, ma'am.
And kapag mag-activity kayo, is hindi na ako conference or online conference para magamit niyo yung gadget nyo na balikan yung mga videos na pinost ko. So, pwede naman kayong mag-activity while watching yung mga videos. So, yun lang. Mukhang pinanood nyo naman kasi nakakasabay kayo sa discussion. So, thank you for watching and sana tuloy-tuloy lang tayong manood ng videos and mag-participate. So, next meeting, kailan yung next meeting? Tuesday ba? So, sa Tuesday, hindi na tayo mag-meet muna because kung ano lang yung diniscuss ko ngayon, yun lang din naman yung papa-activity ko sa inyo. So, yun lang. If wala na kayong questions, dismiss na tayo.
Salamat po, ma'am.
Okay po, ma'am.
Ma'am, legit po.
Thank you din.
Ma'am, thank you. Blessing po kayo sa
Thank you po, ma'am.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Sayada.
Thank you po.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, may activity po yung bibigay.
Sa next meeting na yon.